Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block American Express card on Stripe payment gateway in WooCommerce checkout in WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard and we are using this plugin, Stripe payment plugin for WooCommerce. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So we are using this plugin for Stripe payment gateway. Now back to dashboard and we are going to block American Express card by using this plugin for Stripe payment gateway for checkout WordPress. On left side you see WebToffee Stripe, so click on it, and then you see credit debit card, so click on it. So we are in credit debit cards, enable. Now you see Stripe, and then you see allowed card, question mark, accept payment using selected card. Icon of the chosen card will be displayed at the checkout. Discover diner, you see multiple options, but we are going to block American Express. Now you see cross, so click on it. Now only these card allowed. Now you see if you want to add, you can click on it, but we are going to block American Express Amex, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. If you want to block American Express card directly on your Stripe dashboard, then open your Stripe account and then go to Stripe radar, and then you can add rules. Now you see block if, then you add card brand and then add Amex here, AMEX, and your Amex card will be blocked for transaction on Stripe. So we are going to block using plugin. So we are using this plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.